tomorrow's weather is going to be showers, rainy weather. So be prepared for the weather, guys. Be prepared for the weather. This video won't be long, and this video will be scheduled for 10:42 p.m. Remember, guys, 10:42 p.m. Tonight's weather at 3 a.m. is going to be raining. 7 a.m. thunderstorms. So, if you see lightning outside, you better go under the covers. But like I said, if you're afraid of the rain, it's okay. Rain can't hurt people, but it can ruin somebody's day to go outside and ride their bike. Yeah, so I don't think I'll be riding my bike tomorrow, guys, because of the rain. I might. It depends how the weather will be like.